Hey guys, so I recently got myself a Stanley tumbler and I want to share with you guys my thoughts and if I thought it is worth the hype. So just to clarify, I got the Stanley Flowstate Quencher H2O tumbler. It's kind of a mouthful. I think there are many different sizes. There's a 20 ounce, a 30 ounce, and a 40 ounce. I got the 30 ounce and I think this is the most popular one. I got in the color Pomelo, this bright, fun yellow shade. And yeah, just like everyone else, I have been made aware of this tumbler because it's been super viral on social media, I think in the past 1 to 2 years. But I just never caved in and bought it. Just like the whole Lululemon legging situation, I just thought it's kind of pricey for a tumbler. I actually got a Yeti tumbler from a vendor that I worked with and it worked just fine. I just didn't think it was worth like the close to $40 for a tumbler. So I kind of resisted the urge, and then just, I don't know what happened, just out of curiosity, I decided to take the plunge and try it out just to see if it's worth the hype. Okay, so now for the specs of this tumbler. So it comes with a comfortable grip handle. It has a narrow base, which it claims is able to fit into most cup holders. So I can confirm it does comfortably fit into the car cup holder. It also is made out of recycled stainless steel and double wall vacuum insulation. It claims it can keep your beverages cold for up to 9 hours, iced for up to 40 hours, and then also keep your beverages hot for up to 5 hours. I did not know this, but there are 3 different modes to drink out of. So you just swivel the top and you can either swivel it so it's just a drink opening, or you can use the reusable straw, or you can also just make it like the top completely covered. I did not know that. I think it's because what I've seen on social media, etc., is just like most people drinking it with a straw. Okay, so now on to my thoughts about the tumbler. So I actually really like the tumbler. I felt like it really did keep my water, I usually drink water out of it, chilled for a really long time. And I'm not gonna lie, I feel like the vibrant various colors it comes in, it makes it fun to drink water. I feel like I'm drinking more water and staying hydrated than usual. Hopefully I'm not drinking too much water because I think that can also lead to water poisoning. But yeah, I actually really liked it. It fits comfortably into the cup holders, which I had a problem with my Yeti cup, and I like the fun, vibrant colors, and it definitely does keep my beverages chilled for a really long time. I will say things that I don't like about it is I actually did not know until I was doing research for this video that there were different modes to drink out of. So I guess one thing I was a little concerned about is just how hygienic and how to keep the reusable straw clean. It seems kind of hard to keep the cup clean. But I did buy like a small brush and I've been using it to just wash and keep the straw clean. I also didn't really like how, so I guess they don't have any covers for the straw, which I also think could like contribute to lack of hygiene. But I did go on Amazon and I found these really fun straw covers made specifically for Stanley cups. So I've been kind of switching it up and on a week-over-week basis, like going for like fun like flower straw cup holders. Also like there's like this cute little bunny and like a cute little duck. And oh, I really like the cloud. Let me show you guys the cloud. Oh, there's like the flower, there's like the cloud. I feel like it just makes drinking water fun, and it's like an everyday thing we all have to do, and it kind of makes me think about, I don't know if you guys have been watching the With Love Megan show on Netflix about elevating every day and appreciating the little details in life, but I don't know, I think this kind of makes drinking water fun and encourages me to stay hydrated. Sometimes I forget to drink water. Okay, so I actually liked it so much that I actually bought another one. I bought this really cute light pink one, and now I'm tempted to buy even more colors because these are like my spring/summer cups, and do I need some for fall/winter? I don't know. But anyways, I do want to point out to you guys that there's actually a sale going on right now, and I think from what I read online, it's kind of a rare sale. So these usually retail for about $35. Now certain colors are discounted to $26 across all retailers. Like you get them from Dick's Sporting Goods, you can get them from Scheels, and then Nordstrom, Amazon, and various colors are discounted. So yeah, if you didn't want to pay like close to $40 for a tumbler, maybe now's a good chance for you to go and try one and see for yourself if you like them or not. I also do want to talk about if like you really don't want to buy these cups, are there good alternatives? Honestly, I think there are. I also got like a hydro flask from a vendor before through work, and that works perfectly fine. I'm not sure about like the price point comparisons, but hydro flask, I've had a Yeti before, works perfectly fine. I've had non-branded water bottles, and they also do the job. So what I'm trying to say is I think that there is value in getting a Stanley, and I don't think it's just all hype. I really do think they're good quality tumblers, and so they're like popular for a reason. But yeah, I definitely think like they're not something that you need to have. It's like a must have. So I think any water bottle would do the job perfectly fine. But anyways, those are my thoughts. Let me know if you are a big Stanley fan or if you tried it, and I want to hear your thoughts about the tumbler. But yeah, thanks for watching.